Hello, I am Amreen. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make a paper boat. First, keep this paper like this and do it like this. Then do it folding ways like this and do like this. Then after that do like this. And after that, just do the same thing at the other side. Like, yeah, again let me repeat it. Do it again like that. But see, sorry. Sometimes the other sides could also be like that. Then with this side you have to keep it, but the sides couldn't be out of the line. I mean not couldn't, shouldn't. See, the both sides are equal. After that, you see the part, this part now, wait. With this part, do like this. And with this part, make sure those parts are nicely and turn it. And you see this part now. Keep it like this. Then do it like that at the other side the same way. After that, do like this. And this is how you make a paper boat. Please subscribe our channel and touch the bell button to see nice, even good videos on Amreen channel. Thank you. Bye bye.